We're at the beautiful Dunham Massey today, and what a lovely day it is. We're looking for the woodpecker, even though over there there's some deer that are just coming in now. They've been on the fields all morning, we're not able to see much of them, but now they're here. Wind's blowing a little bit. That was clever, wasn't it? Right in my face. Try again. Wind's blowing a bit. Let's see what the quality's like. I'm making that much racket. If we see anything today, it'll be a miracle. But wifey's got camera. We're on high alert. Britain needs alerts, as my dad used to say. We certainly are a pair of alerts. On the hunt for the green woodpecker. As you can see, wifey's on it. She knows what she's doing. I'm making that much racket though, it's probably flown off. But this is how we do it. This is how we roll. Isn't it, wifey?
Hey?
It's alright, wifey, it's alright, you carry on. This is what you have to do. Scout, shout and look without the shout. We should get it in the end. If not, hey? The camera's over there, look. Have it shout. Not that busy today. Too busy for the green woodpecker though. Or two not, what? Right. I'll go over here, see if I can see it. Again, wifey has decided that shot is in the bag. Off she goes. A few centimetres over. You cannot fault her tenacity, and this is how it's done. When you want to photograph wildlife, be prepared to move, react and blend in with your surroundings. Pictures to follow. Look at her blending in with the tree. You wouldn't even know she was there to the trained eye. We have to see her. That makes sense. Onward. What is she spotted? Nobody knows. Only the hunter. That is wifey. Pure genius to watch this lady work. Look how she deftly uses the camera. Apparently it's just a branch. Onward she moves, gliding through the landscape. Will-o'-the-wisp. She's spotted her quarry. I'll try and move it now. The deer's just behind that tree in the middle of the screen now. Just walking, you can just make out the shadow. And we've just heard the green woodpecker to our left. Off she goes on the hunt for the green woodpecker. Hang on, she's stopping to take another award-winning image. Off we go.
Well, they won't come back now. The National Trust people are here now. Muppets. That's it now.
Into the wilderness we trek. She creeps. She listens. Here we have a Julie. And Julie now, or wifey, she's affectionately known. She's waving a branch at a deer who's just got up, walked away. Bless her little cotton socks. She's not having a very good day, you probably can't hear her. Yes. Let's see what she's waving at. No, I'm not sure. There, that one. You might just be able to make it out. No woodpecker. A moment ago we heard the woodpecker in that tree now. And Julie now is showing a new technique. I'll lift the camera and the tripod up because unfortunately, and off she goes. It's a pleasure to watch. Sheer pleasure. New technique for you, ladies and gentlemen.
You're making me laugh there now, I can hear you. It hurts me back if I bend down.
Genius. So we're giving it one last attempt for 5 minutes now. We've been showing this other area like I said, but no, the woodpeckers are no show, apart from like I said we've seen it flying over. So I'll put some pictures on of the woodpecker from a previous trip. You might not be able to hear me because of the wind, it's very windy. Another demo, see? But we're looking, we might get it, we don't know. Julie's on multi-point focus at the moment. She's on all servo, so she can track it with back button focus if she sees it. She can also zoom in and out because the camera's a crop sensor, meaning it's times by about 1.6 magnification on top of the 600mm, taking you up to 900 and odd. Get your calculators out. But it's going dull anyway, so dullness raises the ISO, increases the noise, increases the grain. We just met a chap there taking pictures of the woodpecker who told us where it is, and he said he was trying to get his ISO down to 100. You don't need your ISO down to 100, you're not doing landscape photography. You'd have to have some kind of lens and super sunny day to get your camera down to 100 and get a sharp picture of a moving bird. Did you say there were people working on that field?
Yeah.
And it's up to you, love, we can just go now if you want. We're not gonna.
Yeah, we're gonna have to out.
Right, so that's it, we're going.
Away tomorrow.
We're going away tomorrow, video to follow.
You've got camera club tonight, you've got to shine Find the what, that's all.
Yeah, the trophies,
You didn't bother
the
cleaning
2
them.
trophies.
Well, they didn't bother cleaning them, did they, so...
Right, no. There's the woodpeckers just flew over. Flew over. Just flew about 10 feet up through that gap there. I'm sure.
The bloody camera's attached.
Jesus, I've gone that all. Quick update for you. It's playing hide and seek, this thing. We keep seeing it flying around. But we're noticing that direction somewhere now. So I think the ironing's gone out the window for 10 minutes. And we're going to see if we can get this little beauty. There you have in the centre of the screen the green woodpecker. And there you have my wife, the photographer. Right in the middle of the screen now is the green woodpecker. Not very big through this camera, but it's there. It's on the ground. It's on the ground where the fence post was. There you are. Please get me a wonderful picture. Oh, I love you. I do love you anyway. I mean about. There she is, she's run forward. The woodpecker's currently on the ground. Presuming she can see it. What a little trooper. There's 2 of them. She wants me to go to her, but I don't want to spoil her moment. I don't want to spoil her moment. Stuff it and going. This is the moment my wife is capturing the woodpecker. What a genius. So you got your green woodpecker picture, how do you feel about it?
I'm buzzing.
So we're going to put some pictures on to show them.
I was determined to get it. And I got it.
So what's that taught you then? You deserve that. You did all the
Your
work.
camera more often.
Perseverance.
Yeah, you're not kidding.
You spotted them, there's 2 of them, weren't there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so perseverance. Right, so there we have it then.
Smiling.
Eh?
Stop smiling, I'm buzzing with that then.
There you go.
Can't believe how close I got to it.
Well done, wifey.